Secure your confidential documents with ease. The best paper shredder for office ensures fast, efficient shredding, protecting sensitive data. Upgrade your workspace with a powerful shredder built for reliability and security. Number 1. Bonsaii Cross-Cut Paper Shredder. The Bonsaii Cross-Cut Paper Shredder is an excellent choice for individuals seeking a reliable and efficient shredding solution for their home or small office. With P4-level security, this heavy-duty machine ensures that your sensitive documents are thoroughly shredded into tiny 13/64 by 51/64 inch, 5 by 20 mm particles, preventing unauthorized access to your information. It can handle up to 12 sheets per pass and is powerful enough to shred not only paper but also credit cards, CDs, staples, and clips, making it a versatile tool for disposing of confidential materials. One of the standout features of this shredder is its ability to run continuously for 5 minutes, thanks to its patented cooling system. This ensures that you can complete your shredding tasks efficiently without worrying about overheating. Additionally, the auto start, stop and manual forward-reverse function provide ease of use and help prevent frustrating paper jams. The overheat protection further extends the lifespan of the machine, making it a long-lasting investment for your workspace. Designed with user convenience in mind, the Bonsaii Cross-Cut Paper Shredder features a compact size of 12.6 by 7.91 by 18.3 inches, allowing it to fit easily in corners or under desks. Number 2. Fellows 14C10 Paper Shredder. The Fellows 14C10 Paper Shredder is a high-performance device designed to meet the shredding needs of home offices and small businesses. This shredder offers superior security with its P4-level cross-cut shredding, transforming 14 sheets per pass into tiny 5/32 inch by 1 9/16 inch particles. This level of security ensures that your confidential documents remain protected from identity theft and unauthorized access. Beyond paper, it can efficiently shred credit cards, staples, paper clips, and even unopened junk mail, making it a comprehensive solution for document disposal. A key feature of the Fellows 14C10 is its extended 10-minute continuous run time, allowing users to shred larger amounts of documents without frequent cool-down periods. This is particularly beneficial for those dealing with high-volume paperwork. Additionally, the machine operates quietly, minimizing noise and preventing distractions in shared workspaces or home offices. The patented safety lock feature enhances security by disabling the shredder when not in use, ensuring safety for households with children and pets. For added convenience, the 5-gallon pull-out bin simplifies waste disposal. The bin neatly contains over 250 shredded sheets, reducing the frequency of emptying. Its user-friendly design ensures that handling shredded materials is a hassle-free process. Number 3. Akai Professional Mini Plus. The Akai Professional Mini Plus is a powerful MIDI controller designed to elevate music production and live performances. Featuring a dynamic 37-key keybed, it provides 3 full octaves of melodic and harmonic expression, making it ideal for composers, producers, and live performers. This compact yet feature-rich device seamlessly connects to your DAW or studio setup via USB, offering intuitive control over your music production. One of the standout features of the Akai Professional Mini Plus is its advanced connectivity options, including CV-to-gate and MIDI I/O. This allows musicians to connect modular gear, synthesizers, and sound modules, expanding their creative possibilities. Additionally, it boasts a built-in 64-step sequencer with dedicated tracks for drums and melodies, enabling users to compose and arrange music even without a computer. For those who require hands-on control, this MIDI controller features 8 premium RGB MPC pads with exceptional responsiveness, making beat creation, sampling, and clip launching seamless. The transport section enhances workflow efficiency by providing direct control over DAW functions such as record, play, stop, rewind, and fast forward. Furthermore, the 8 assignable rotary knobs enable users to adjust volume, EQ, and automation parameters for precise sound shaping. Number 4. Akai APC Mini 2 Malawian Kwacha's. The Akai APC Mini 2 Malawian Kwacha's is a highly versatile and compact Ableton Live MIDI controller designed for musicians, producers, and live performers. Featuring an 8x8 RGB pad matrix, this controller offers 64 vibrant pads that provide visual feedback, making it easy to launch clips, trigger loops, and create seamless performances. Whether you are working in the studio or performing live, this device ensures a smooth and intuitive workflow. One of its key highlights is its seamless integration with Ableton Live Lite, which comes included with the controller. Pre-mapped for a one-to-one experience, the APC Mini 2 Malawian Kwacha's allows users to capture ideas, mix tracks, and perform with ease. Its drum and note modes further enhance creative possibilities, offering effortless control over drum racks and melodic instruments using the built-in Smart Scale view. For hands-on mixing, the controller includes 9 assignable faders, 8 for track control and 1 master fader, allowing users to adjust volume, panning, and device parameters efficiently. The device mode feature enables precise control over Ableton macros, ensuring a fluid music production process. Additionally, the APC Mini 2 Malawian Kwacha's is USB-powered, providing instant plug-and-play connectivity without requiring external power adapters or batteries. With its compact design, vibrant RGB feedback, and user-friendly controls, the Akai APC Mini 2 Malawian Kwacha's is a perfect choice for those looking to enhance their live performances and studio sessions. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced producer, this MIDI controller offers a powerful toolset to elevate your music-making experience. Number 5. M-Audio Oxygen Pro Mini. The M-Audio Oxygen Pro Mini is a top-tier MIDI keyboard controller designed for musicians and producers seeking a compact yet powerful tool for music production. Featuring 32 velocity-sensitive, semi-weighted keys, it delivers an expressive playing experience, making it ideal for performing melodies, chords, and bass lines with precision. In addition to its keyboard, the Oxygen Pro Mini includes 8 RGB backlit velocity-sensitive drum pads, perfect for beat production, clip launching, and sound triggering. These pads feature note repeat functionality, allowing users to create dynamic drum patterns effortlessly. Further enhancing creative control, the controller boasts four assignable knobs, buttons, and faders for real-time manipulation of virtual instruments, effect plugins, and DAW functions. With Smart Chord and Smart Scale modes, an arpeggiator, pitch modulation wheels, and sustain pedal input, this MIDI controller offers advanced features for both beginners and experienced musicians. It also includes a complete software package, featuring MPC Beats, Ableton Live Lite, and virtual instruments from Air Music Tech, providing users with everything needed to start producing music instantly. Compact, versatile, and packed with features, the M-Audio Oxygen Pro Mini is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to enhance their music production setup. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.